tulya tulwanisa obuli bw'embuzi.
Okurya harikagambiriza w'ekitongore eki ari munara hagizirenga bwanyuma y'ekiganiro cy'ofisi ya IGG biretebekanise n'abantu baburijo mu rubuga Fort Potro bingi bargireyo batunga kakuma hari umukuru w'abakozi ngo mukuru yenguza bira kwa sarakati
mugende hakyombeko ekyayombekerwa Usmid Farms ekyarole Park mu West Division, former West Division, now Central Division. Ekyombeko eki kikaba kile supposed kuganurwamu abantu abarukukora mupaka eyarole eki baitu engaja zomwitu zikaikara ekyombeko kikyali mu musingi zagaba ekyombeko eki. They allocated themselves those lockups, the building while it was still in the foundation.
Kusa abantu babi nga ba technocrats na ba town clerk you are worse than Ebola. Abantu babi muno.
Why isn't the city clerk here this afternoon when he was informed that we would be here?
He did not even delegate anybody to come, and yet the reason why we were here was because we are trying to interact with the public in as far as issues of service delivery is concerned, and also of course to address matters of corruption.
Ekiganiro kibiro mu Chayiboma kandi otumongo tarebekireho bitu nabwanyuma IGG aragire ngo akwatwe nuko kumukwata shayi 12 zo mwebazyo.
Ekyo mugisa mubi ofisi ya president hano no hura ne bakugambira ngo abakubaza hebya bintu abo opposition abo banupu abo FDC.
We should draw a line between politics and corruption. That is differently aligned.
Edison Asabariyonga orumeya w'urubuga rwa Fort Potro hamwe na Minister Victoria Rusoke na benshongezi bazigambireho.
There is connivance in order to deprive taxpayers his money. When you hear of the numerous court cases, more than 67 court cases, and one of the cases has 4 billion, which council must pay.
For the first time, I want to request you, IGG, to come up with conclusions of some previous cases in this country committed in this very city, so that people can clearly see that you are in control and you are fulfilling your mandate.
Agacencwire.